Hello YouTubers, beer geeks and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. Alright, this one is by Belching Beaver Brewery. It's called SD Besties. I guess it means San Diego Besties because they are doing a collaboration on this one with Coronado Brewing, and Belching Beaver is from Oceanside, California, and Coronado is maybe from Coronado, I don't know, I can't remember, but it says SD Besties Neopolitan Imperial Milk Stout, coming in at 8.5% alcohol by volume, and it says stout with natural flavors added. And it says brewed and canned by Belching Beaver Brewery, Oceanside, California, and it says it contains lactose. Brewed in special collaboration with Coronado Brewing Company. Okay, we've always had a tight bond with Coronado Brewing, and we wanted to celebrate with a special collaboration. SD Besties is our take on a liquid Neapolitan treat with notes of strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla that you'll want to share with your best fucking friend, the BFF. We hope when you drink this beer, you'll think of simpler times when it was all about meeting up with your besties for some damn good times. Cheers, Tom. Okay, never had this before, never seen it before, nothing, canned on 12/13/21, so it's super fresh. It's like 3 weeks old. And yeah, got this 4-pack of these, Total Wine & More, for like 15-16 bucks. That's what the can looks like. Okay. Belching Beaver's been hit and miss with me. Some were really good and some were just so-so. But, you know, can't win them all, right? So let's get into this this interesting sounding beer. Let's get a little aggressive on this here. There we go. Nice cascading effect going there. Alright, really dark looking. I can smell it already. It smells like Neapolitan ice cream. It really does. Wow. Interesting. So, while this goes down, I'm going to be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's get back into this. Right, really a solid looking head on this thing here. Alright, so, oh shoot, where's my light? Hang on. My phony, I need my phony. Actually, we're going to bust out the big guns on this one since it's so dark. Well, we got tan, kind of light brown, massive head, a lot of big bubbles, but it's super tight all around. And it's pretty dark, man. Actually, this thing is, yeah. Maybe let me get a brighter one. Hang on. I really want to see the color of this here. This color. Okay. Alright, this don't do it, nothing will. Alright, we got bright as the sun right here. I mean, that is dark. That's pitch black. For real. We're not seeing anything through there, man. I mean, it is black, 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 black. Damn. That is, I mean, this is like super bright, see? Like, it's bright, and it's not getting through, so it's black. It's black as black as black. Whoa. Alright, so now that we established that, let's get the rest in there and we'll get the aroma going. Alright, this looks really good actually so far. Alright, let's get an aroma on this puppy. Yeah, milk chocolate right up front, and it smells like strawberries, and milk chocolate smells like Neapolitan ice cream. That's what it smells like. Maybe little cherries almost kind of, but strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. That's about what I got. Let's get a hit. Cheers, can't wait. Yum. Taste follows the aroma. Oh wow, that tastes good. That tastes really good. Tastes really good. Got a little hoppiness in there. Not bitter though, like kind of like citrusy almost a little bit. Really nice. Maybe just a touch of coffee, maybe something, or no, not coffee. I meant like dark roasted malts. Yeah. Medium mouthfeel. Medium, almost heavy mouthfeel. No booziness, no raw alcohol notes detectable. This is a really tasty, banging Imperial Stout we have here, guys, ladies. And it does have that Neapolitan vibe going, but mostly like chocolate and roasted malts, and that little bit of kind of citrusy kind of hop note coming through. Vanilla. Yeah, it's tasty. It's very, very tasty. Like the mouthfeel too. Nice lacing on the glass due to head retention. We're gonna let it warm up, hit on it for a while, and we'll come right back and see if we can pick up some more notes and give it a score. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. The song remains the same. Basically all the notes I picked up early are about what I'm continuing to pick up as it warms up. So that's pretty much what I got on this puppy. I'm going to swill it one more time just to make sure, and we'll give it a score. Cheers. Yep. Roasted malts, cocoa nibs, chocolate, milk chocolate, maybe a touch of coffee, kind of like a little hop note, like maybe a light kind of citrusy, fruity kind of a hop note, a little vanilla maybe, and this little strawberry note at first, which has kind of disappeared. Now it just tastes like a stout. The whole Neapolitan ice cream thing was at the beginning. Now it just tastes like a really good stout. So with that said, on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, 2.5 being C average, I'm going to give this puppy 4.6. I think it's a pretty damn good Imperial Stout. So 4.6 it is. That's my story. I'm going to stick with that. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Hope y'all had a good Christmas. I know I worked, so it was okay. A good Christmas to me is when I can work and make money to survive. Alright? That's a good Christmas to me. So, yeah. Have an awesome day. Sub, like, all that good stuff. It's all good. Cheers. See ya.